Yo! What up? Oh, man. Boom, 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 boom. I'm just getting on here. What up? What up, Karan? What up, Scott? Yo! What up, Rylan? Yo, Maria! Maria! Dude, I cranked gains. What up, PG? Oh. Did I get any deals? Lucid 50% off. Code Cove Trader. Yo, no more chicken, Maria. Am I working out or doing push-ups? Why do you ask that? Yo, welcome from India. What up, Code? Jay Styles in the house. It's 11:40. I have to ask, how is it 11:40 by you? But it's 2:07 because the minutes don't change. Minutes don't change. I'm just curious. How'd you get the minutes to change? I gotta shut my air off. Trump's talking. Trump train. What's up, Ripper? Barbie says, "What's up?" It will be, dude. Bro, the minutes change. Oh, you have 3 different time zones in India? How the fuck does that happen? That's crazy. That's crazy. You guys use a minutes thing. Are you the only country that changes minutes? So interesting. I learn something new every day. Let me crank a Lankin. Yeah, usually it's by the hour. So, like, yeah, it's 10:08 by you. Makes sense. That makes sense. Yo. I have levels marked out. I got levels on levels on levels. What level do you want to know about? This is what my trading screen looks like. I got all my different levels. I got a script I'm building, but I'm going to shut that off and use my higher time frame. Watch. Come on. Show it to me. It's going to show me all my higher time frame candles in 2 seconds. I'm just waiting. There we go. So now I got the higher time frames. This is a test area, and that's a test area. Save and close. This is a test tab. There, I used 3 different tabs. Yo, I hate to break it to you, but a lot of the guys that are giving you like levels, it's just like previous day high, previous day low. You know, pretty much what most people are giving you. Oh, man. I got my Bulenox account. I'm just freaking... All right, I'm all set up now. Actually, I'm almost all set up. Let me bring this over here. Yo, what up, cartoon? What do I think about the price action of NQ this week? I fucking love it. I love it. I love it. I've been getting payouts almost every day. Literally almost every day getting a payout. So hold on 1 second. I just want to see something real fast. Okay, I just want to see something, make sure. Ah, we're back. We're back. We're back. Ah, now I'm ready to fucking roll. What up, Danny? Graduation was cool, man. It was quick. There's less than 100 kids in my son's class. So basically, basically it's quick, in and out, which is nice. In and out. And then they did, I came home for a little bit. I tested some strategies today. And then I went back out at like 12:30, went to the beach, hung out there for a little bit, came back. Yo, ace. What up, A-Trades? Second grade. Yeah. You just graduated? Where'd you graduate? Damn, $100 to 1,900? Jeez. Yo, after you hit that bet, were you like...
We did it. We did it, Joe.
Trump is still talking. I'm pulling everything up. We shall see. Oh man. You graduated with a 4.5. What do? You take like classes that give you more? I need to teach the kids how to trade from now. Dude, my kids are interested. My kids are always my kids are interested in everything I do. They're interested in all aspects of everything. Dude, I guess this Iran war is not. Israel and Lebanon signed framework for an agreement. Yeah, you can work on backups. Yeah, if you have pros, you can work on backups. Dude, my kids want to do everything I do. It's cool. Sometimes it sucks, but most of the time it's cool. I don't know if they like, if it's me or it's the ability to make money. I don't know what it is. But honestly, like whatever you do in life, you could teach your kids. Like if you're an electrician or a mechanic or a landscaper, like you could teach your kids the trade and they can start their own business in whatever field it is. It doesn't have to be trading, it could be anything. There's a guy that used to do my lawn that his dad started the company. He took it over and now he turned it into like a regular landscaping business. To all he does is like estates now. He does like massive houses and properties. Chat GP, it's going to be selected randomly. Yo, Dream Tractor, is Kim going to? Oh, there it goes. Kim, her Mason, Dream Tractor official, then Dream H. What other names you got? You got the bot is here. The bot is here. Oh, there it goes. Alphonse. What's up, Wolf? Yo, I'm having a massive day. I just got approved for 2 payouts. My personal account's up $3,800 for today. I passed the TPT account. Today was the first day. Hold on 1 second. Yeah. I'm working. What's up? Okay. All right. Have fun. All right. I gotta go. Just text me. Bro, just like when you're at work and you're like, that could have been an email. Yo, that call could have been a text message. So here's how some of my shit is going. Yeah. My Tradeify accounts are up. I'm obviously having a pretty good day. So I'm testing a lot of shit and it's going really well. Yo, randomly. Yo, thanks, Trevor. I am Legend in the house. We got to do a numbers game today also. Number one. Anyone going to take this? I'm going to save that account. That account's got no fucking drawdown. Oh, so last night, I'll show you guys some cool shit. Last night, dude, I went from literally the stream to eat, and then I just kept working on shit. I'll show you some cool stuff. So here's a strategy I was working on. I don't even know how many days this is. This brings it back till March. Basically 8,000 in profit, 1,500 profit factor, 2.5. That one was a really good one. I got to clean some of these up. This one's from year. This is all this year. 55,000, only 4,000 drawdown. I'm working on all these. I just got to do a couple of tweaks. These are all kind of different strategies. And then that's the last one. That one's fucking awesome. Every single one of them basically hit today. Oh, thanks, man. Dude, payouts are nice. I probably have gotten a payout pretty much every day in the last 2 weeks, and one day I've gotten 2 in the same day. So things are going good. Basically, all the trades are live. I don't tell you about it after the fact, and you see the orders that are in. Like, I'll put the order in and be like, yo, man, I'm going to take this.
Order filled.
Let's see if I can scalp this to the upside here. Maybe. Dude, that's fucking far. I didn't realize how far that is. Jeez. Dude, these candles are so big. Jeez. Come on. Give me a pump out. I want to pump over 22. Pump over 22. I'm going to sell half, and I'm going to move half to break even. All right. I got stopped. Probably got wicked out. I'm probably not trading any funded accounts, FYI. Dude, is gold just selling off all day? Jeez. All right, let me slide that over. Slide that over. I think I'm done taking the orders in there. Oh, this thing's roasted. All right, let me just pop some of this other shit up. Oh, I need to get my ETF up. 29,100. It might. It might. Are you going to take it short? Are you going to take it short, Cartoon? Like, are you in it now, or? It's just a dangerous spot. You're logged out. I don't know. I kind of like the bounce here. I just want to see if it holds. Probably. Is this VWAP? You never know with Tradeify. I might take this, and I'm gonna stop out at
Order filled.
I'm gonna do a wider stop here. We're gonna risk this for the biscuit here. If it goes, it goes. I would not take this in a funded account. I'm not copy trading this. I'm literally just want to see if it ends up holding 29,500. If it doesn't hold, it doesn't hold. I'm perfectly fine with that. I just want you to be aware of that. Like, it's not a, I'm, for all intents and purposes, I would normally be done. But I like the fact that we're holding over VWAP and we're holding over 29,500. It's worth the shot. I am not going to watch soccer tonight. It's not on the list. I'll probably root for Norway. I saw them on social media doing that row thing. I'll probably root for them. What else is there? Who else is playing? Yo, I'll tell you right now, this is who my Claude bot is betting on, if you care. So my Claude bot is betting on Spain, Belgium, England, and Argentina. The bets are in already.
Trump says Iran still has some capability, but not much. So again, he is currently speaking at the Faith and Freedom Coalition conference.
Oh, he's
We've got
talking
the
right
video
now?
in the feed.
Oh, geez.
Trump just touting stock market highs.
My financial people and other people. I said, listen, we just set a record in the stock market. We just set a record in every single thing, including 401ks. Your 401ks, most of you have 401ks, are at the highest they've ever been, everything. But this was true 3.5 months ago, before the attack. Everything was good. We had records and everything. We were doing great. And I said, I hate to tell you, but we're going to have to take a detour. We're going to have to go to war or go to a military operation, which my people would prefer that I use as a term because war means things that they don't like. Whether you call it war or not, it is what it is. And we're going to go down to the Islamic Republic of Iran, and we're going to have to hit them very hard. And don't forget, when Barack Hussein Obama did the JCPOC, if you look at that, Barack Hussein Obama, have you heard of him? He was a disaster.
Have you heard of him?
He was a disaster.
Has anyone heard of him? No, we haven't heard of him. Who was that?
$1.7 billion in cash and tens of billions of dollars. Gave it to Iran. Thought he could buy their friendship. And it was just the opposite. They used the money and they built missiles and everything else. And I terminated the JCPOA. It was his agreement. It was the Iran nuclear deal. It was a disaster. By the way, it expired a long time ago, but I terminated it long before it expired. If I didn't do that, Iran would have had a nuclear weapon. If I didn't send the B-2 bombers in 10 months ago, they would have had a nuclear weapon.
Trump says we're going to be at $2.50 gasoline a gallon soon.
And then you wouldn't have Israel. Israel would be gone. I know you have a lot of good fans of Israel in this room. And Israel would have been gone, and probably the Middle East would have been gone.
Bro, everyone.
They could have taken a shot. We would have wiped them.
Do not come.
But they could have taken it.
Do
What
not
is that? What is that?
I'm gonna come.
Let's see what
Trump
Claude's
on
gonna
the
buy.
Iran ship attack yesterday says they can't do that stuff.
Claude's not even buying anything. Bro, shit's wild. I want to take this fucking short so bad.
NYMEX WTI crude August futures settle at $69.23 per barrel, which is down $2.60
Order filled.
or 3.74%. Gasoline July
Oh,
futures settle at
I
around
only wanted
$2.95.
Fuck
Diesel
me.
July futures at around $3.21, while natural gas
I
July
accidentally
futures
bought
settle
too
at
many.
around $3.23.
Bro, I gotta buy a mouse over the weekend. That's what I gotta do this weekend. Is I gotta buy a mouse. Every fucking time I click this button, every time I click this fucking button, dude, I think they're gonna take this all the way down, to be honest with you. I think you're gonna see at least 422 here. I'm getting extra bonus clicks, but it's usually not an extra bonus. It only double clicks when I lose. Actually, yesterday it double clicked and I won one. I was kind of happy about that. I should have stopped right there though.
European Commission spokesperson, in response to Trump's digital tax threats, says the EU and its member states have the sovereign
Order
right
filled.
to regulate economic activities on their territory. Says any taxes are non-discriminatory by design and apply equally to all large companies, regardless of their origin. European Commission spokesperson adds that the EU will respond swiftly and decisively to defend rights and regulatory
I'm
autonomy
gonna get roasted here.
if unjustified unilateral measures are pursued.
I'm gonna get fucking roasted here. This is why I'm not
So
trading
just as a reminder,
any.
this is, again, an European Commission spokesperson in response to Trump's earlier Truth Social
I'm not
post,
trading any
where he
funded
said that any
accounts.
country that
This is
imposes
why.
a digital service
It's
tax will
Friday, it's
immediately be met with
2:30.
a 100% tariff.
Dude, this guy's dropping tariffs on people. Oh my god. I kind of want to hear what he's
The
saying.
EU Commission spokesperson adds that the
But in my
EU
first
is
term,
ready
I
to...
created
Voice
the
News
greatest
disconnected.
economy in the history of the world. The first term was a great success and rebuilt the military, did everything. But now we're blowing it away. We're doing much better this time.
I wouldn't trade any
We
funded
did have
accounts.
to make that excursion. How would you like to be given the best numbers we've ever had as a country and tell people, guess what, we're going to war, and nobody in the room knew what I was talking about because it wasn't their thing. And I said, we got to stop them from having a nuclear weapon. Because you want to see problems? Let a crazy country have a nuclear weapon. You'll see problems like you've never seen before. The stock market has set 73 all-time record highs since the election. And more Americans are working today than at any time in the history of our country. That's pretty good. In January 2025, we inherited the worst, most dangerous, most wide open.
Bro, is she gonna actually say anything? He's gonna wait till I get into a position. Tea bags are always free. Wait, who's in here with that? Looks like they are free in your Discord. Bro, you ever traded the tea bag candle? You know what the tea bag candle is? It's when you got like a bull flag and it sends that one candle below the bull flag that gets people to short and then comes right back. It just drops the tea bag and then comes right back. Dude, I think this is fucking cooked, to be honest with you. Yo, you never seen the tea? Yeah, I'll find you a tea bag candle right now. Bro. You know, like you break the trend, like this candle comes down, fucking straight tea bags, you get out and it comes right back up. This doesn't have it. Bro, I'm gonna put this in Wikipedia. Tea bag candles. See, like this would be it. Like you're bull flagging, and then you send the candle below, and then it comes right back, and then goes. The old tea bag. Yo, you coming to hang out? Yo.
What up?
Oh.
How was fucking graduation?
Good. I mean, as you can see, I'm still dressed up. I gotta go.
Fucking dressed up.
Yeah, I got my dad gang hat on. I got my fucking shirt with the buttons on.
I thought that was the gangbang hat.
That's why I'm not trading good. I come back, I take some fucking. I'm here for the gangbang.
The gangbang.
But yeah,
can show up to a graduation with that hat on.
I got it. When it sweeps for the breakout and flushes, I don't know. I got to come up with one. I mean, I'm done for. I mean, I'm not in any funded. That's over with.
Today was a great day. Today was a crazy day as far as volatility, but it was a great day. I fucking smashed on a trade.
Bro, everything did you see all the shit I put in the Discord last night?
I did not.
Bro, I had my fucking lab jacket on last night. I was coming up. Bro, I found strategies that stand the test of time. Fucking Jesus was trading these things. Dude, I smashed on them today. Obviously, I hit the button manually.
Yeah.
Obviously, I got the alert and hit the button manually. But
yeah, 100%.
But yeah, man. I manually hit the button in one Elite Trader account for $1,740.
Yo, I'm looking at your P&L. That's freaking crazy.
Take Profit Trader is my favorite prop firm.
Yeah, I'm kicking myself for not taking a mini in the one trade that I took today.
Just gotta slam it sometimes.
Yeah. After it, I kept saying to myself, I was like, motherfucker, scared money doesn't make money. Dude,
it's crazy. Maybe you ask why? No, no consistency on funded accounts, no rules, no nothing. Also, the 25K account is 1,500 with a 1,500 end of day.
Oh, our good old resident bots are here. Kim, Dream H.
Yeah, let them, man.
Dream Attractor.
Whatever,
What up,
man.
boys? What up, bots?
Order
I
filled.
want to know which one of you is the real one. That's what I want to know. Will the real Slim Shady please stand up? I'm starting to root for our fucking resident bots now, though.
I like the bots.
The thing. I'm starting to root for them.
Bring them in. Whatever. Shows more people on. Nah, the bots just come in and put the code in and leave.
Code beep boop beep boop beep boop. Yeah, I wasn't expecting this crazy volatility on a fucking Friday, to be honest. But I mean, shit, at one point this morning, the ATR was like...
It's good?
Dude, it was like 60-something on the 1 minute. I do have a bot that I'm going to be making over the weekend.
For what?
Off of some testing. I'll have to share that with you later.
Oh, futures?
Yeah. But yeah, I tuned into a few other streams this morning, and I'm like, how the fuck do people watch you?
Dude, better yet, I don't even know how the fuck some of these guys even make money. I sit there and watch. I'm like, there's no way this guy makes money. But they're validated by the something TV, whatever the TV show is. That gives them credit.
I'm talking about independent channels.
Oh, because I was just saying, I'm not even fucking.
Don't even get me started on the fucking.
I'm not even getting into that.
The fucking TVs.
Yeah, because they do. They get credit. They're given credibility, but like they're just on there as a host. Doesn't mean they're profitable.
I mean, I think Patrick blew like 10 accounts today.
See, if you're on there watching him, if you can't afford to blow 10 accounts a day, what are you doing?
Yeah. I popped onto his little fucking Globex trader that he had on last night. That motherfucker's terrible.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know, man. It's crazy. Is this thing not going to fucking dump? I don't know. I have this fucking target of 380.
I've been on fucking work calls pretty much all day.
Yeah, how'd that go?
Let's just say this weekend and next week is going to be crazy.
Better than not.
Yeah, I mean, it's all good stuff. But I got hit with fucking a ton all of a sudden.
Does he actually show his trades yet helpful, or he just tells you that he's in after he's up already? Actual serious question. Because I know for a while he wasn't showing any, like, the trades weren't like in, like, it was just like, oh, I kind of like this. And then all of a sudden he tells you he's made money.
I've seen him flip back and forth.
And then he complains of telling you that he's not there to show you entries. Have you ever seen that where he complains? He's like, I'm not here to show you entries and exits.
Oh, yeah.
It's like,
yeah, I've definitely heard him say that.
is this thing not going to go?
It looks like it's going to go down to at least 23.
I'm hoping. Did you take? I actually took that, the 50 bounce earlier. I was at my house.
That's the one I was in.
Oh my god!
I was in fucking 2 micros. Two
Bro.
fucking micros. I should have been on a motherfucking mini.
Yeah, that was it. I was in that in some accounts.
That was the move of the fucking day right there.
Yeah. Yeah, it was.
I fucking went back and I was like, if I would have taken this in a mini,
you don't
have made.
Done.
And yeah, $4,800 if you would have taken it in a mini just to the top of the IB.
Yeah, I mean, that's where you're gonna take it to.
Freaking ridiculous. I'm gonna be doing a shit ton of back testing over the weekend.
I'm waiting to see that candle just push down. I'm gonna get out of half. I mean, listen, if you're in this, take your fucking gains.
Order filled.
Come on, baby. I feel like once you find like a honey hole when you're doing back testing and building like strategies, once you got like, you can then build strategy on strategy, kind of using the same kind of thing, I guess. You kind of know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
I'm there. Like, I found the little honey hole and it's working, and I'm just like, how many places can I fucking run this thing out in?
How many different indices can I dog out?
Yeah, like that, and then how many how many different like time frames can I get this to work on with different settings? I'm basically in the fair value gap stage of just testing all those and whatnot. I got 5 micros left. I just got stopped out. 42.
I might bounce right here.
Yeah, I mean, the 50 was right there. I'm out though. Betting you. There's like no news though. Trump is done talking. Thinking. Looks like I'll be buying some Amazon shares today. Yeah, whatever. I don't mind buying Amazon down here. It is what it is.
There's the 50 bounce right there.
Yeah, I don't ever take it the second time. I think we're gonna overshoot to 78. Damn, passed. Yo, what up? You passed a bunch of evals? There you go. PayPal sucks. Yeah. You finally got your PayPal name? No, send it over. I'm not going anywhere. Yo, I think people, when I'm like, yo, you won, go grab an account and send me your info, like, they feel like they're not going to grab an account until I send them the money, as if the other 3,000 or 4,000 people that got accounts did not get their money. Like, you know what I mean? Like, have you ever been on the stream and somebody said, hey, Cove didn't pay me for an account? Like,
Nope. You aren't, Patrick.
Like, not once has that ever happened. Granted, I might not check my email for like a couple of days, but you're getting your money. I think people get worried that I'm not going to send them money. I'm like, bro, you are definitely getting your money. Dude, I'm not saying to you, Mason. I'm just, that's a general. I've had people before, like, so I save the receipts for accounting purposes. Obviously, it's an expense. You know, like, you get what I'm saying, right, Sean?
Yeah.
So that's why I ask for, just to show the receipt thing so I can save it for my personal records. Because obviously I don't have codes. So, like, I'm not giving you, like, I'm actually giving you money. Like, you know, not like these other guys that are really giving you just a code. They're not going out of their pocket. I actually dig into my pocket for like 98% of the giveaways. But yeah, people, like, I'm like, dude, just go get it and send me the thing, because once I send you the money, like, I'm not going to follow up, you know, for a fucking receipt. Like, I'm like, just send me the shit. It's so easy. Like, there's not one person that ever came in the chat that was like, yo, Cove hosed me. Been doing this for 2 years. Ton of fucking accounts.
I'm watching this 50 bounce right now.
Yeah, you in?
Not yet.
I'll take it at 459.
Yeah, I'm waiting for.
Is there something on the one? Oh, it's coming right into this breaker too. There's an overlap at 370. Bro, I am all in. If this hits 370, is that an overlap too?
I'm waiting to see what this 5-minute candle does. We got a minute 30 left on it.
What the fuck is that? Is that an overlap? Is that the smallest? No, it's not an overlap. I thought it was. I don't even know what that is. What is that? Oh, that's an fair value gap rejection.
We got a hold right here on this 5-minute.
Dude, I think I'm on the fucking 15. I thought I was on the 1 minute. I thought I was in the 1 minute. Definitely one of the only honest ones out there. Nathaniel, appreciate it. Well, you're out money. Just for accounting purposes.
It's like when I write off the strippers.
Yeah, like, if you go out, like, I don't know if you guys have your own business, but like, if you go out to eat, like, all that stuff gets written off at the end. And don't get me wrong, a write-off doesn't mean you didn't pay for it. It just, you know, it's just
TNA. TNA.
It's TNA.
It's TNE.
Haunted, you You like fatter candles?
Well, somebody's got to like them. Somebody's got to love the fat bitches.
Are you
It's not
more?
me.
I was just say, are you more of a girth guy? Yeah, it's probably going to go down. I think we're going to go to 77, which would be nice. It would sweep that low from 11.15.
I don't want it to sweep that low, actually.
No, there you go. You got a small little freaking inversion right there. Are you going to take that, or wait till it closes?
It hasn't closed yet. I'm gonna wait for it to close.
It just closed.
But at the same time, I still don't like it for some reason.
I'm going to take it.
Order filled.
I'm only going to take it with 5 micros, though. So I like taking it with 6 micros because I got 2, 3 things, so I can get out of half. Nah, get fucking stopped. It just invalidated it. We traded back into a 15-minute FVG also, and we're trading out of it.
Order filled.
I just got out. I'm fucking gonna reject.
Yeah, I feel this thing's gonna go down.
I don't know. We'll see. Marie likes big stops, and she cannot lie. That's an upside down teabag there. Bro, the teabag pattern is amazing. Because I don't have my hoodie on. I should go put my hoodie on. Probably trade better.
Ooh, there we go. There it is.
Damn, dude.
There we go. Keep going. 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 Boom. Snag that. Fucking snag that. Take that shit to the bank.
Bro, I'm buying it right. Dude, that's massive down fucking candle.
That was fucking nice. Considering I lost $125 on trying to take that inversion to the upside. Made all that back plus some.
It's got to come down and grab my fucking orders at this point. If it doesn't come down and grab my orders, it's going to go right through my orders. I got to trade some of these Apex accounts too, by the way.
So here's one of the things I was looking at, and one of the reasons why I took that short is because
you're letting the trend be your friend.
Well, I've been watching the cumulative delta.
Oh, dude, don't get me fucking started with that. I can't. I'm out on it. I'm out.
Yeah?
I'm out.
Dude, I actually kind of like it.
I'm so out on that thing. If I win an account, I'd love to trade with you. You could trade with me anyways. I'm always around. I'm either here or you can find me on Backpage.
You're trading with us right now.
We're all here. We're all hanging.
Fucking make a quick paper account. Then you're fucking trading with us.
Yeah, you can get a free SIM account on Ninja Trader. I can show you how to do that if you need help. On Twitch? I've never been on Twitch. What is that? Is that video games? Twitch?
More video games, yeah.
I don't know. Yo, mulatto.
Dude, I popped on over at fucking Fidias TV.
Yeah.
And they had a couple of French guys on there.
Bro, I listen. I just can't understand the shit that they talk about.
I was like, man, it looks like Barbie's getting tag teamed by some French guys today.
Shoot, I want to listen. I just can't. I don't. The accent. I'm not good with accents either. Like, I'm just not good with accents.
I didn't understand half the shit he was saying.
I know. That's my thing.
But he was laughing his fucking ass off at what I was saying.
Have I ever used Fidias? Yeah, I went live with Fidias.
Why is this guy typing the same thing over and over?
I don't know. But yeah, I went live with Fidias.
Fidias.
I was about to ring up another $6,000 to $8,000 payout, and they figured push me live is the better play, so I don't have to get paid.
I mean, business wise, it was the better play.
I know. Yeah, business wise, they stopped me from milking money from their fucking accounts. Yo,
helpful. He wants to fucking jerk Cove off under the table.
Bro went on loop mode. Yo, that's fucking hysterical. Yo.
That shit's funny as hell.
Yo. It's like somebody with a stutter, but he just types the same thing over and over.
Yo, it's the keyboard stutter.
Bro.
Said, but Mama said.
Yo, Jesus. Yo.
Fucking water boy over there.
Get the foosball.
Dude, imagine they made a water boy too.
Nah, they're not gonna do that. It was good, but it wasn't like they did Happy Gilmore too, because it's probably not more believable, but you know what I'm saying.
Dude, a remake of Waterboy would be fucking hysterical.
Yeah, what would he be though?
I don't know, fucking NFL Waterboy.
I don't know, man. I want to take a 3-piece up
Waterboy's a fucking classic though.
Up to 64, but I'm probably not. I put some orders.
I remember the first time I saw Waterboy. My fucking dad was a pastor at a little Baptist church in a small town, and the youth pastor decided to play Waterboy for the youth.
No.
Like, that was a great idea.
Dude. Catering. I guess Will Ferrell has some golf movie that kind of reminds me of Happy Gilmore. The Hawk. It's supposed to come out on Netflix. I haven't watched it.
Interesting. Yo, TL is fucking awesome. I love TL.
It's starting to catch on. I saw a bunch of people talking about it on X.
Yeah. I had a call with Max over the weekend.
Yeah, what's he up to?
We're just going to go over some shit. Gotta fucking get some other marketing stuff going for him.
Is he getting on Tradeify soon?
Q3. Q3. It's so funny because I hopped in their funded chat. I was like, we need to get this shit popping. And they have like a little side chat just for the funded people.
Oh.
So we're gonna do some fucking shit in that channel.
Yeah, you don't want to be the last guy because you got to eat the cookie in the channel.
Yo.
Yo. What's up, Newts?
Well, Nathaniel, make sure you use code Cove Trader at TL.
Oh yeah, there you go. You save yourself money. I think it's like 20% off, right?
It's either 20. It's either 15 or 20, but it's more than their stock coupon that they promote. So they only promote a 10% off, which makes all the other, like, it makes all the affiliate codes better.
That's actually a positive if you think about it. Because
it's awesome. It helps the affiliates.
Yeah, I didn't even know that.
Yeah,
dude, I'm honestly just me personally.
You're welcome.
I'm waiting for. It's just I don't want to bring up deep charts. Although I will say deep charts in the morning works probably the best out of any of the platforms for the morning trade.
Yeah, and it's not perfect, but it does work better than what you're trying to do on the morning.
Yeah. Quant Tower used to be good until I don't know what happened.
I've never had great luck with Quant Tower. I've tried them on and off for like 5 years now, and
it's not good in the morning.
It's never been good in the morning.
Joe, I think this is going lower.
I agree.
I don't think.
I think we're going much lower. I
might just take it in eval and just hold. By the way, you want to hear this strategy, bro? Two questions. Do you have the nutsack to do it?
Order filled.
I'm gonna
the fucking 5-pointer and 50-pointer. I fucking was going through the chat just now and fucking saw that. I was like, oh, fuck.
I'm going to do this, by the way. You guys want to see it? I'll do it. I'll show you guys what I'm doing. So here's the stat. You ready? I got to scroll up and get. Did I just get stopped out and I pay attention anymore? Hold on 1 second. Come here. So if you take the orb break for 5 points with a 50-point stop, this would be your stats since March for the last 90 days. How easy is that? How easy is that? The one thing you got to realize is, obviously, you see some of these areas where you make a lot more. The script kind of fucks up and you make a lot more. And that's kind of what happened today. I made $1,400 on it. I don't know why the script fucks up, but every down one stops you out at the real down, which is like,
I'm fucking out on that one.
It's 1,000. Yo, you're out on it? Bro, I wanted to do it on the stream for the first time because it'd be hysterical. It'd be like, yo, we're going for it, and to see if it hits.
Bro, it's like your fucking one tick when you're trying to go for one tick.
Bro, the one tick worked once.
Dude, the one tick challenge was amazing.
What's up, Miss Goody? 50-point stop. How do I get that? You just buy when it breaks over the orb for five points.
Damn, I was not expecting that fucking candle right there.
Bro.
What the fuck was that?
I don't know. That's why I'm not trading fucking funded accounts. Wild shit going on. What up, Robert? You need a close or pending order? I just literally put it at the top. I have a script that's supposed to do it automatic, but apparently it didn't work today. Lucky I was home and I was up $1,400 or $1,700. It should have taken profit at 200.
It's a nice 100-point 5-minute candle.
Dude, shit's wild. I mean,
there's a 5-minute inversion right there that's being created. You gonna take that?
Is it? Oh yeah, right there. Oh my god.
You gonna do it? Fucking do it.
We close in 30 seconds, right? You want me to take it?
Dude, do it.
I'll do it in eval. Who gives a shit?
I mean, you did just swept
oh
the
my
internal
god, bro.
low.
Bro, where do you think the stop is at? Bro,
the stop should
80?
be fucking 26.
Bro.
Nothing like a little 60-point stop.
26. Dude, the bottom of the 5-minute candle is at 96.
I would have it at 26 personally.
No, I'm gonna.
28.
Order filled. Order filled.
Bro, do not do this. This is a
Order filled.
Friday special, boys. This is a Friday special. I'll even add to this bitch. Yo, this is where the stop's gotta be.
The only problem is you're right at 500.
I see every problem going into this. I believe me.
There's a lot of fucking problems going into this one.
Bro, there's nothing good about this. I'm just listen. We're hanging out. This is a $19 account. We're gonna have some fun. I'm cool with.
It's a 50-50.
I'm
know,
cool with. It is what it is.
You're back above the 50% of.
Actually, that's a BPR right there that it created. Also, dude, I didn't even think of that. Yeah.
You're back above the 50% of the IB, which is solid. You swept that low. There's a lot of good things going for it.
Yeah. Sean's trying to pump me up.
The cons are you're at 500, and
bro, there's no. I think it's gonna work 30% up.
You're at VWAP as well.
I'm at VWAP. I'm at 500. Stochastics are rolling over.
It's a 50-50.
Whatever. Listen, I can have fun.
I need to watch War Dogs again.
50-50. What do you mean? 50% you live, 50% we die? 50-50. I gotta put my regular trading gear on. I don't know why. I can't trade like this. I gotta get my hat and I gotta get my fucking hoodie. Give me 2 seconds.
Yeah, feeling like a stiff over there. The other positives of this fucking trade, though, is ES is above its VWAP. So that's a positive in itself.
Yo, you should wear that 8th hat.
There goes. It's going for it.
Gotta get over.
Get over 500.
Order filled.
VWAP.
Just in case it fucking rejects right there. I want to go to break even.
Solid. Fucking solid.
Yeah, man. I mean, listen, I fucking play the strategy all the time. I mean,
It had a lot of things going for it. It had a lot of bad
Order
things
filled.
going for it, but it had a lot of good things going for it.
If I get stopped, I get stopped. I already took a bunch of profit. I actually bought it. I bought it in 5 micro. I bought it 10 micros in my funded account. Actually, I just zoom in and flick the candle. Hold on, my fucking alarm. Do you hear the beeping? Hold on. There we go. Oh, I'm all set now.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. I feel so much better in a hoodie. Like, I don't know. There's certain ways I like to trade, and I just like to be in a hoodie.
I like to be comfortable.
Yeah, like I wasn't comfortable just sitting there like that.
All right, I gotta dip back out.
Oh, you're out?
Yeah, I just want to pop on for a little bit.
Yeah, no problem.
I'll still be in the chat. I just gotta work on some shit.
Yeah, all good, man. All good. Peace. Man. We're going to see if we can pass or not pass this. Bro, Dakota might be the most unathletic fucking person I've ever seen. It actually hurts when I watch his reels of him doing anything. I mean, bro, it's bad. It's like hand-eye coordination just kind of skipped right over him. Bro, he's got videos of him trying to box. He's got videos of him doing some other shit. I'm like, bro, just stop. Oh, graduation. Graduation was pretty cool. So my they had it at the school, at the high school. We did that. And then they had a gathering at the beach afterwards. I went to that. And then I came back here, and my kid is going on a boat with his friend for a couple hours. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, my wife sent me a video. Hold on one second. Let's see if I can find the video she sent me. I'll try to bring it up on this thing. Yeah, I got my text message synced to the computer. Let's see if I can do it. He's on the boat right now. Oh, here he is. Yeah, this is so cool. There.
I'll do you in the bottom while you're drinking sangria.
Nachos, lemon heads, my dad's boat. You won't go down cause my dick can float.
We sail around the world and go port to port. Every time I come, I produce
Yo, that shit's fucking hysterical. But my son is on a boat. That's the first thing I thought of, though. Yo, what up, Matt? Somebody's like, what the fuck is going on? If you've never seen that movie, I can't help you. No. And then the boat crashes at the end, and they're like, investors, could be you. Oh, man. I want to retest a 450 I'm watching. So it would actually retest. So basically what you have is, I want to test this area. Balance price action block right here. 58. Bro, that movie's the best. Is it gonna go though? Do not go without me. Go.
Order filled.
Just go. No. Do not follow anything I do here on now. Just an FYI. I'm literally gonna try to pass this account, and that's it. And it's an eval. We're gonna have just some fun by the end of the day. That's all this is. I don't want you to be like, if it does come down to 484, 58, I'll probably buy in a funded account. How's that sound? That's really what I'm looking for. To come right in this block. Other than that, I wouldn't even trade anything unless you get this, where you get a bounce out and then we recheck and then up. Other than that, I am literally looking, that would be, I'd probably get out there. But if you got out, that'd be nice too. I'm going to load it up right now on my funded on the side. I'm just watching this area right here. I got my finger on the freaking button.
Order filled. Order filled.
I don't like that. I'm out. Just invalidated it. I didn't even get to add. Dude, that's crazy. I thought we would definitely have fucking continuation up. Once it invalidates it, it's over. Now, I would like, if you had any bullish bias, you'd want to see this candle close back in here where it wouldn't validate it, where it wouldn't invalidate it. It has to close in there. I had 40 seconds to bounce.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm probably going to get roasted here. Oh, it's got 8 seconds to close back above 42.
Order filled.
Jeez. Fucking pump it. That's weak sauce. Yeah, I got 2 payouts from Next Gen. I got one yesterday. I got one the day before. Well, I requested 2 days ago, and I requested yesterday. Yesterday also, I got a payout. And they said they sent me one today. I'll tell you if I got it. Otherwise, they sent me 2 payouts at this point. Then if I signed into my Rise account and I got paid, I'll tell you right now. They said they sent me the money. I'm waiting for that payout. I'm waiting for Elite Trader funding money to hit my account. They said they approved my payout from yesterday. Oh yeah, shit, their money did hit. Well, I just withdrew it. That's cool. Just got paid. Cool. Dude, you got to trade on TradingView. It's kind of whack. Bro is trying to get run over. What happened? I don't know. You don't have to pay for anything. I pay for no extra data or anything. I don't pay for any extra data. I don't know how long they're going to allow me to keep milking payouts, though, to be honest with you. Like, I've only spent, I spent less than probably $400. And they paid me like $1,400. I mean, I just got the accounts. I don't know when they're going to cap this thing, because not only did I get a payout, but like one of the accounts I got a fucking payout with them, I just hit it again for today, up $177. So I only have to get to 850, which is only $300 more, and I got 7 more trading days to do it, and then I milk another payout. Like, at some point they're going to do live, or they're just going to ban me on the platform. Yeah, Tradeify does package. Apex does packages. I like being able to buy more than one at a time. I think Tradeify started it. Yeah. I don't know. But payouts are rolling in, and that's all I care about. As long as the payouts are rolling in, I don't care, you know. I gotta trade this ETF account because you need $200 a day, and I just took the payout. So my 8 days starts again today. So I need 8 days. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think they're gonna allow you to get to 15 payouts. Maybe they will. We'll fucking find out. That's for shit sure. Depends on how much you hit them for in a weekly. Like if you ring it up, if you don't ring it up, like I want to say account size is another thing. Yo, I go where the deals are, man. I tell everybody, if you're going to spend money, might as well spend the least amount of money, right? Why would you keep spending money when there's no deal? Yo, next gen makes you trade on TradingView, and that's it. Kind of sucks, to be honest with you. But I'll be honest with you, it's not a top 3 firm for me personally. Who else do I trade with? Bro, I go where the deals are, man. I got a whole fucking list of everyone I buy that I would buy deals from. I gotta put. That's everybody I buy deals from. When they're running shit, I'm in. When they're not running shit, I'm not in. Also, I don't blow a lot of accounts. Like, I mean, you guys watch every day. Like, I'm not turning and burning accounts here. You know what I mean? Like, there's people that are fucking torching accounts every day. Like, that to me is not really trading. You know, I'm not looking to just torch accounts. Because if I'm torching accounts, and it's just not good for you guys to see somebody just torching them day in and day and day. Like, it's one thing if I'm like, yo, I got a $19 eval, I'm going to have some fun. But, like, I would never, you know, these guys are just blowing fucking accounts. Yeah, see, like I find myself in this goodie. Like I like to separate, like to do risk management. I like to separate like accounts. Like I know at 2:30 on a Friday to close, I'm not copy trading 15 accounts. So that whole copy trading 15 accounts, I'm not doing, which I normally do. I'm not really trading funded accounts. I'm not trading any high value evals probably. I'm literally just going to take a couple trades on some like evals and maybe have some fun in an Apex account or two. And that's how I do risk management because it's not going to really cost me that much. Like if I took 5 Apex accounts and I blew all 5, it's $95 because I buy the 5 packs. Like I just took $1,300 of payouts yesterday. So it's like, you know, it's not really, and I'm not blowing 5 accounts, believe me. I'm just saying, like, you know, my risk management is I still want to trade. I still want to have a little fun here, and I'll just reduce my risk by going to a lesser value accounts. Lucid Flexes are probably the easiest account to get paid on. Yeah, so I only used AMP in TradingView. I don't know. I guess you can use AMP on Quant Tower. What up, Cube? You don't have to pay anything extra. Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. But yeah, I don't know. That's how I look at things. I'm very much protect the bag. Like I had a great week. So I would not do anything to ruin my fucking week right now. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to do anything to ruin my week. I am just going to have some fun and ride into the sunset on a nice Friday where I would only trade an account that if something bad happened, that's it. Lucid Flex are the easiest to get a payout in. Seems like AJ wants to make the company really good. How's my month been? My month's been really good. My month's been good with everything. I've had a crazy month with stock and options. Is today the last day? Today's not the last trading day of the month. No, but like right now I'm up $3,500, and I've literally, I've had a really good month this month. I've had a good prop for a month, and I had an unreal stock and options month. I don't use CFDs. I don't really know what the difference is between what is like, I don't really know what CFD really is. I don't know. It's not something I really even know about. I'm just selling some calls real fast. Collecting my fucking paper every week on fucking Reddit. Where do I play options at? I am at Tasty Trade. The reason I'm at Tasty Trade is they literally have the best portfolio margin for your account. If you know what portfolio margin is, that is the place you want to fucking be. That's not a regular margin account. It's different. What up, Sneaks? Yo, Martin's here. But yeah. Yo, what's the big news? We have a don't worry, I got that filter, Miss Goody. I got that filter. I got it on. We good. We good. I have no idea. The one guy isn't. He comes in every day with the same accounts. It's like Alphonse, Kim, Dream Official, Dream H. It's all the same guy. They come in every day. It's the same thing. Yo, do exclamation point Cove Trader, bro. They're not doing it for their health, Rylan. 2 chickens? Haunted? What is that? What's 2 chickens? I don't care, man. About to buy a couple OD. Oh, Jesus. Yo, keep me in the loop, Nathaniel. I want to see what happens. What are you buying though? Puts or calls? I think I don't even want to tell you what I would do. But what are you doing? I used to sell them, bro. I used to sell them. So like right now, you can grab an SPX call. Yeah. Let's see what the 0 days are on a fucking SPX. Dude, you could sell 73 45s and collect $180. Oh. Trump just called a press conference? Oh my God. For what?
Voice news disconnected.
No. What did you just call a press conference for? Like for now? He's signing something at 4:30. I like to sell them personally. Like if you think about it, like, man, so what I do is like I would sell those, and then like I'd risk like $200, so my stop would be at $4, and you got 20 minutes. You got 20 minutes. Let's see what happens. Those are the ones I would have sold. The 73 45s, I would have collected $180. My stop would have been $4, so I would risk $220. I bet you get 100%. I got it up on my screen though. SPX spreads $3. It's crazy. What is this pattern on the 1? Oh, I've seen this pattern before, dude. Here, I'll help you out. This? What is this pattern? Let's see. Maybe we go. Maybe we do a little wings action on him, right? Maybe he breathes a little fire. It's like a 3-year-old dragon pattern. If you're trying to play, I'll be honest. If you're trying to play patterns at 3:45 on Friday, it's not going to work. I think you got the upside is the way to go in general. Yo, you'd be up $100 on those SPX calls that you sold, by the way. If you think about it, there were $5 out of the money. Well, actually, there were more. The bid was $5 out of the money. The midpoint was like $7 out of the money. Oh no. All right, I'm gonna bring this on the fucking screen. Well, doesn't even matter. I need to make $50 fucking dollars. I'm just gonna play up. I need to make $50 in this account.
Order filled.
Well, what just ordered filled? What just ordered filled? Bro, I don't even know what is this an old order? Bro, I don't this is yo, this is that same shit that happened yesterday, bro. Remember I was in Apex and the shit randomly bought? This is the same shit that happened yesterday in my Apex account. That's a random fucking buy. I'm in no other accounts. No scripts, no nothing is in. That is a random buy. That's a random fucking buy. Yo, this is the same shit that happened yesterday, dude. That's a ghost order. I didn't buy that. I didn't fucking buy that. I'm in my Ninja Trader. I am in nothing right now. Bro, that's the craziest shit. That's 2 days in a row. Yo, that's 2 days in a row, though. I think I need to restart my freaking Ninja Trader. I think that's what triggered it. I don't know. There's nothing else that's in anything. I don't even think 25 is even in a copy trade account anywhere. Dude, it's not even in a copy trade account anywhere. That's crazy. That's literally like a rogue order. I have no idea what even caused it. That's true. Yo, it's a Claude webhook. Claude doesn't trade futures. Claude's not set up to trade futures. Yesterday it happened in Apex randomly. All of a sudden, randomly in Apex, an order triggered. Yo, how do you know? I got an Amazon basic bitch mouse. But I didn't click that though. Dude, that looks like it was bought right here at 5. It was bought and it set up TPs and shit. Bro, that's not me. 30 points off 10 minis? No, I didn't. I definitely bought though. I wasn't even on the tab though. I was on this tab and I heard order filled. I actually didn't even have my hand on the mouse. I was on my computer. That's the craziest part. I was on my computer.
1 minute now for the market on close imbalance.
All right, boys. I'm going to YOLO this. MOC for Friday. For the boys. Yo, for the boys.
Lebanese PM says Lebanon's obligation under the framework is to extend state authority through armed forces over all territory.
For the boys, who wants in on this? I'm only doing it in this account. Mine's well. It's Friday. I'll have some fun. Mine's well, right? Everybody want to have a little fun or watch me have a little fun? For the stream!
10 seconds.
Order filled. Order filled.
Market on close. Imbalance S&P 500.
Yo.
Sell side 4.6 billion. Nasdaq 100.
Yo.
Sell side 3.4
Yo.
billion. Dow 30. Sell side 96 million. And the Mag 7 was a buy side of 821 million.
Yo, who just got that $1,100? Bro, I literally hit the freaking tip of that. Bro, that was the tip. Look at that. I literally got the tip. Take your money and run, Ray. Take your money. Go over to Craigslist. Find some things to spend on it. Go have some fun. Damn, Nighthawk. You have to call me Dragon. Dude, my day has been awesome, actually. I'm up a ton of money right now. I'm up a bunch of money. I'm getting freaking payouts every day. Yo, we hit off of this. I'll freaking take it. Take it to the fucking bank. Come on. I think it's going to come down to this blue line. Oh, man. I should make these lines white. Brianna, my bad. Brianna Flowers, my bad. Welcome to the stream. Dude, I hope anybody doing something cool this weekend? I'll tell you what I'm doing that's cool this weekend. Sunday, I'm going to the Mets game, and we have a private box. We have a double private box for all the girls from softball. One of the other coaches rented it out for everybody. So he rented out the whole box for the softball team, plus siblings and parents. And we're all going to the Met game on Sunday. You throwing a party, Jasmine? That's awesome. Church picnic and 2 B-Day parties. There you go. Yeah, it's pretty fucking cool. Is it your birthday? What are you throwing a party for? Yo, is that one of those parties my brother and his friends used to go to, the swinger parties? Happy birthday.
Trump, when asked about Iran's ceasefire violation, says, "I don't like it."
Voice news disconnected.
I get to play with my new toy this weekend. Bought a new lawn tractor this morning. That's cool. Hookers and blow. Yeah, I want to get. If I had more of a set piece of land, like kind of like more like a box and less stuff, I would do one of those Roombas that cut your lawn. Yeah, I'd do that all day. Bro, this is gonna go down. He's gonna break this little flag to the downside. I've been waiting for it to hit freaking 73. I mean, listen, there is no real setup here. I'm fully, anybody watching this, I'm aware there's no setup here. Like, let's be real. Anyone that's telling you that this is the fucking setup here at the end of the day. Yo, $100 a week. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. I comes with a new snowblower. Tink your Eddie? Tink your Eddie? I don't know what that is. Yo, all you new people, you got to say what's up, or you're not going to be added to no duck race. You can't come in here and just drop the code. Otherwise, you think you're a bot. You had a snapper? What's a snapper? I don't know what a snapper is. What's a snapper? Dude, I just want to know who's in here. Like, honestly, I do it for the community. So, if you're going to hang out and join, at least you can say what's up. You build some type of relationship. You know what I mean? Like, I like to just say what's up. Just say, hey, man, what's up? I'm like, cool, man. I get it. You're at work or you're doing other shit. I fully understand that. But if you could put a code in, you could just say, what's up? That's all. I just want to see how people are doing. What's up, Spider? I always feel like this is a community. I hate when you go on somebody's stream and they don't acknowledge everybody in the chat. Like, why? Like, if you say something in the chat for me to read and I don't read it, it's kind of like whack, right? Like, I want to read the chat and create conversations with everybody. Manatees this weekend. Yeah, I thought you were talking about snapper fish. What's up, guys? I blow accounts, but I'm happy because I'm following a process. And the guy across the street, his name is John Accounts. Wait, what? Oh, no. Oh, he didn't write that. My bad. I just like to have fun, and I like the community aspect of being on here rather than you're just a name in the chat. That's all. Also, it gets the quiet people that want to ask questions but are afraid to. They come out of their shell and they start asking questions. And then they start doing good. Steven's doing great. There's a bunch of people that start asking a lot of questions. And then all of a sudden you're like, wow, they're doing really good. I like to see that. What up, Ted? Oh, as long as you follow your rules. Listen, if you have a strategy and you know the numbers behind your strategy and it doesn't produce to be a winning week, over time that strategy pays. So who cares? Yo, big Ronnie, man. Yo. That's why I keep the camera on. I keep the camera on for you. Holy fuck.
Order filled.
Dude, that's a random fucking order that I didn't take out. Just an FYI. Dude, that is a random fucking order I didn't take out. Bro, that sucks. That's an order from fucking ages ago. Bro, that's crazy. I left that in. Yo. That was the drift, by the way, if you were wondering. Bro, that was 150 points down. So at the end of the day, if you've ever been on the stream, we talk about the drift play. The last 30 seconds to probably 10 seconds after the market closes, you get a dip. And this is what it causes it. They pull the buys. It's a computer, it's an algo thing. But 75% of the time it dips at the end of the day. Don't ask, it just fucking does it. I don't know why it does it. That's the only thing I can think of is if the book pulls the buys, but there's still sells in the book. And it dumps it. Go back and just, let's see what yesterday did. I'll show you. It's just, it randomly fucking does it almost every day. This is the one day, I don't know what that was. I actually shorted this. I made money on the short on this. But I back tested it over the course of like 2 or 3 months. And like 75% of the time, it's for whatever reason, 75% of the time you get a down candle, but you can't chase it. So like, see how this goes up? See how this goes up? Like you don't want to, if it goes up, you let it just kind of go up and you just kind of stay like low. And then if it goes up again, you kind of just forget about it. But I back tested it on FX replay. And it worked. Worked a lot. Holy fuck, bro. What the absolute fuck is this? Is this thing still going? Bro, what is this? Is there news? Is Trump on right now? Dude, that was crazy. That's orb 50% line, by the way. I started playing these 50% lines of the orb and IB. That's what these peach lines are. And you can see the action comes back to it quite often. It's definitely a support resistance thing. Look at it. Anytime you come around this, you can just see it. I don't play second. So like if I play it here, I think I did play it here, but normally I don't. Even though it did bounce, I don't play it again and again and again. 15 minute and then the IB, 50% line, 15 and 60. Too much manipulation during the weekends. I don't know. Listen, I'm not holding anything over the weekend. Like, I don't know if you guys hold. It plays out. Take a look at it. I'll still play it. I only play first touch, though. I usually play first touch. So. The best part about it is, I'll show you something cool. Here you go. If you ever wanted to test it out, I made the script. And then I could set the IB time. Actually, you know what I should add on this? time of day to take the trade. So then I can set maybe from 12 o'clock to 4, and then it'll give me the stats that if you played the IB 50% retracement in the afternoon, instead of this is all day, this is after it's set, this is the first time it goes 50%. But if I set a time to trade, I could set it and see how the afternoon produces versus the morning. Anything I do, I backtest and get the numbers out. Like if you're not digging out the numbers, you know, I try to have the numbers on everything. Hey man, if it's not there, it's not there. You know what I mean? That's what's good about trading is you don't have to force it. Like if you don't like the trade for whatever reason, don't do it. You know what I mean? Like, I think people don't realize that. Like, that's what makes it so good. I think people feel like they constantly got to trade, and that's a big no-no. You know what I'm saying? Let's see who's in this. Who's in here that I know? I'm seeing who here do I know that I'm not following? I like to follow everybody in the chat on Instagram, not Instagram, on X. So anybody that I actually know that has the same name as I do in here as I do on X, I try to follow back. I'm just trying to get all you guys. Well, I think I got everybody I know. Yeah, Kevin, I think so. Brother. I guess that MOC was shorting, but scared to enter. Now seeing feeling, but I could have went. I mean, you could have made money both ways. Like here, I made money on MOC to the upside for $1,100. See, you could. That's what's good about trading is you could make money up and down. You could have went either way and probably made money.
AA plus and A-1 plus, sovereign rating affirmed, outlook remaining stable.
What's your username, Nikki? I was just going through the thread of the Lucid giveaway.
S&P on the US say they expect net general government debt to approach 100% of GDP given structurally rising non-discretionary interest and aging-related expenditure.
Bro, that's not good. It's going to be 100%. Wait. I'll take a look in 2 seconds.
S&P on the US say they expect the US economy to grow around 2% over 2026 through to 2029. Iran's now a news now. They're saying that sounds of explosions have been heard in Iran's Sirik. The source is unclear though.
Oh, geez. That's what caused this.
Back to S&P on the US, they say despite heightened polarization, they expect to see key institutions, as well as checks and balances, anchoring policy outcomes.
So there's loud explosions in Iran. I'm just curious if it just dumps. I'm just going to give it 3 seconds. I just want to see if it gives a big fat red candle to the downside or not. You just heard that you're hearing news. By the way, guys, that news you hear is real time, and it's like before other people even hear it. So just an FYI. That's why I leave it on. What do I think about gold? I love gold, man. It's just gold hasn't really been moving how I like it. So I took a step back from gold, but I love gold, man. I love gold a lot. Let me get all this going. We're gonna do two account giveaways today. We're gonna do the Lucid Flex. Yeah, we'll do a Lucid Flex, and I'll do an Apex account also. Oh shit! All right, let's get some tunes up in here. By the way, if you don't win, we do account giveaways every day. Be sure to subscribe below. Smash the like button. If you want to support the stream, use code Cove Trader. It literally works everywhere. But yeah, if you don't win, don't get mad. We do account giveaways every single day. So don't be like, oh no, and get all mad. Yeah, I'm going to do the X giveaway also in here. It's all going to be done on the last thing of the day. But we need fucking music up in this joint. I'm going to get some. I know exactly what tunes to get too. Bro, I use code Cove Trader when I buy magnums at 7-Eleven. Or when I'm at bingo with grandma to get extra bingo cards. Yo, you can use it to protect yourself behind Wendy's also. You can, yo, if you get pulled over, just use it then. It may or may not. It works 60% of the time. It works every time. Drummer bingo, baby. Let me dig this up.
Fake outs, take outs, stop outs, top outs, breakouts, checkouts. Why is it always me that gets stopped out? I need some lessons on end.
Yo, if anybody has questions, now's the time to ask. All right, we're gonna keep this fucking a little shorter than normal because we gotta get. I'm just doing a bot. I'm just making sure that it got filtered out. The bots. Who can?
You wicking me out again. You stopped me out and ran. Look at all the money I would have won, but you stopped me out again. You wicking me out again. You stopped me out and ran. Look at all the money I would have won, but you stopped me out again.
I'm just looking to see everybody in here. I'm just looking. I can't. Where is it? Why can't I see it? Shit. I can't. Oh my god. There we go. Done. Set. We set. Boom. My bad. This takes some time. Go! Quack, quack, motherfuckers! Dude, Marie's got some freaking crazy songs here. I don't know. Oh, finally funded? This is a Marie special. Marie does the lyrics, by the way. Miss Goody! All right, we need a couple winners. Yo. Quack, quack. Yo. Oh. Desiree, you here? Desiree, you here? We're going to do 3 from the chat, 3 from Twitter. Boom. And then we're going to do, yo, out of the 6 people, 2 of you guys are going to win accounts. One's going to win a Lucid, and the next will win a Apex End of Day. Dude, Marie comes with some bangers. Can you tell I go to Tasty Trade? Ace! Are you here or are you deucing? Uh-oh. I hope you're not deucing. Uh-oh. I need to, hold on. We're going to put new names in. These are all the Twitter names now. Now, what I found out about the Twitter that's great is if the freaking, what do you call it? If the Twitter is not here, I just go to the next. I go to the next guy, and I know that there's 3 people in the chat already. That's the best part about it.
Caused this. So here we are.
I like big stops. I don't pretend. Tight stop traders get offended. One tick shake and they out to play. Marie still in like, yeah, I'm staying. Chart starts
yo, so many people. This is a favorite. This song.
In the crowd. Stop too close, yeah, that ain't wise. Marie sitting comfy while the weak cans cry. Chat moving fast.
Now just remember, if you say this is the Twitter, you're gonna have to message me from that Twitter account.
Why would you even type that though?
Laughs a little, tries to refocus. Well, that just ruined mail for me. No hocus. Whole chat broken, stream derailed. Sean C smiling.
This is going great.
It's a Twitter person. We'll see if he's here. If he's not here, I just go to the next person. Holy shit! My personal account ended today at plus $4,373. Holy shit bags.
Market don't go sideways 'cause I need cash now. Somebody tweet something. Save us somehow. Sideways candles, mental strain. Discord praying for volatility rain. Someone types it, everyone knows. Market don't go sideways. There it goes.
I've got one more.
Now. Bro, I need Trump to fucking tweet something bad right now. Chat explodes.
Now, the first person that wins the ball sack race gets the Lucid account. Second person gets an end-of-day Apex account.
That extra room keeps trades alive. If it wicks down hard, she won't comply with fear-based exits or panic replies. Yeah, Marie likes big stops and she cannot lie.
Yo, Sean, how'd you not put Ball Sack Friday in here?
If the song's stuck in your head all day, that's on him. We tried to say no, okay? This was unnecessary. This was.
Yo.
Yeah, it's cool. Ball sack fucking Friday in the building. Let's run it.
Yo, somebody that's new in the chat is like, what the absolute fuck you guys doing?
Sun up charts lit, stream buzzing like a stage. Cove Trader in the pocket, making profits from the page. Someone types the wildest line I heard in any chat today. On the sandwich, a jizz of mayonnaise is required, okay. Cove stops mid-trade, leans back like, bro, really? Laughs off like, well, that just ruined mail for me. Whole chat gone.
All right, let's go. Who's gonna win? The first person that wins gets a Lucid account. Second one is an Apex end of the day. Yo, what up, Christopher? First time catching your stream. I love what you're doing. Keep up. Yo, I appreciate it, man. Tell your friends, come hang out. Yo. We like to have fun, make money, ask questions. I literally answer everybody in the chat. Dude, I feel like if you got a blue ball, they fucking make you win. Yo, blue ball definitely wins like 80% of the time. Bounce! Show me what you're working with.
Chat jumps in the zone. It's that ball sack funkin' Friday where giveaways get thrown. Hey, racers in the list moving faster.
Yo, Kevin, you here? You got yourself a Lucid account if you're here. You got 20 seconds. You got 20 seconds. Kevin. Otherwise, we're rerunning. No. All right, Kevin's got all right. Now it's Apex end of day account. Apex end of day account. Who's gonna win?
Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. Don't chop, don't stall, just move somehow. It's ball sack fucking Friday.
Nah, Kevin's in here. Come on. Miss Goody, push it. Push it. Actually, conserve your energy for a little bit. Desiree, you gotta conserve. You don't want to be up front. You want to hang in the back. All right, now you need to make your move. Now you need to make your move now. Push it. Oh, Miss Goody. Oh. I don't know if he's here. Oh, he is here. You just won yourself an Apex account. Double O. Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. Oh, man. Yo, there's always Monday. Always Monday. Dude, we do these every day. Every day we do these. It's something always fun. Yo, Monday's Motorboat and Monday, so you don't want to miss that. Don't want to miss Motorboat and Monday. Never know. We'll probably do more Lucid accounts next week. We'll do some more Lucid giveaways. Yo, dude, it's crazy. There was bombs over in Iran that exploded. That's what dropped it. I don't know what's going on over there, but it's not done. Whatever you think is done over there is not. You just enter. You got to be on the stream, and it opens up. It enters. No problem, Miss Goody. I love to hear people that get the accounts and take it to a payout. It's pretty cool. There's a bunch of people. There's a lot of people that have taken the free accounts to a payout. And it's pretty cool to hear about it. Jay in the chat, dude, Jay in the chat just took an account. Was it a Lucid account for like $7,000 that he won? Dude, if he's on here, Jay, if you're on here, say something. But yeah, I think he took a Lucid account giveaway to something ridiculous. Oh, it was a TPT account? Yeah, what was it? Like $7,000 he made? Yeah. Yeah. Dude, it was like last week he was talking about it. How much money do you think people should start trading? I'll be honest with you, Christopher. You could start for free with Ninja Trader just to get your feet wet. And I'll be honest with you, I would get the cheapest account that you could possibly get. Like a $16 Bulenox account, because you're probably going to end up blowing the first couple of accounts. So I would just get a cheap account. Don't worry about anything else. And just get your feet wet for the least amount of money as possible. Don't be worried about rules and this. You should get an account and trade like 1 or 2 micros and just learn. That's what I would do. Yeah, I'll answer them all this weekend. You know, don't. Yeah, I hate to see people when they first get in start buying expensive accounts. Like those accounts are great. They're just not for you as a brand new trader. I don't mind the trailing drawdown, to be honest with you. I get through that. I don't let it move around until I'm near the buffer. That's how I go about it. I don't really let it go. The 25Ks are great because the profit target's only 1,500 and the drawdown is 1,500. So it's a 1-to-1. That's what makes it better. Yo, I was trading crypto on the weekends for a while. I kind of took a step back only because I was going, there was so much trading, man. I was trading stock options and futures during the week. I was doing crypto on the weekends. I was doing Calci on the weekends, and it was becoming a lot, to be honest with you. So I just took a step back from it. Yeah, enjoy your weekend if you're heading out, without a doubt. I got to go to a baseball barbecue in a half hour. I coach softball this year, and I got to go pick up medals for my girls. Oh, man. Yeah, I mean, the barbecue's not fun. I'm not staying at the barbecue long. Yeah, I mean, I was doing stock and options for a while before I did futures. It's almost 11 p.m. What are you, in Europe? You're over in Europe, probably, I would assume. If you guys are new here, subscribe. Come back and hang out on Monday. I stream 9 a.m. till noon, and then again 2 to 4:30. So morning, I stop for lunch, and I come back in the afternoon. It should at 5 o'clock, 5 or 6 o'clock. Yeah. $5 or 6 o'clock, it should update. Also, Dude, if anybody's got questions and you want to get me over the weekend or at any time, I'm always in Discord. That's the link to the Discord. It's free, just so you know. Yeah, man. Everyone enjoy yourselves, chill out, have fun with your friends, family, chill out, don't do anything stupid. Remember, don't do anything stupid. Could cost you 18 years. Always, if you don't have a plan A, have a plan B. Remember, the stripper doesn't love you also. I'm dropping knowledge right now. The stripper does not love you, even if she says she does. If she says, I've never done this before, that is a lie as well. Yeah. I'm just trying to protect you guys over the weekend when I'm not around. Oh, man. All right. I got to go to a baseball barbecue. Guys, enjoy the weekend. I'll see you Monday. Smash the subscribe button below.
So according to Axios here, U.S. military conducted strikes in the Hormuz area. So this is again coming from Axios. U.S. military conducted strikes in the Hormuz area.
Yo, fucking U.S. is
so
striking.
Some strength in WTI crude here. Weakness post S&P 500. Excuse me. So yeah, again, seeing some strength in WTI crude here.
Order filled.
Is this just going to go? I had to do it. Oh, I thought I bought micros. Oh, motherfucker. I thought I was in micros. I should have just got off the fucking stream.
Cited U.S. official on U.S. strikes.
I should have just got off the stream. I thought I was in micros. I never trade gold. I never trade oil. I never trade oil. I just have it up to look at. But why not? It's fucking Friday at 4:32. Whatever happens, happens. 18 years, if you have a kid, Chris, if you have a kid with a random at a bar at 3 a.m., 18 years, my friend. Yeah, TJ, that's why this news is the best. It's Juice voice. Look, watch it catch fire now.
According to Axios reporter Barack Ravid on X, and he's the one that's saying that the U.S. military conducted strikes in the area of the Strait of Hormuz. He's quoting a U.S. official. That's all the information we see right now. But
so what's happening is this guy talks, we get it first, then people start to see it on the juice, and then people start sharing it in Discords and everywhere else, and then they start, I feel like there's like a domino effect. Bro, I'm not leaving this with no money. If I get stopped out, I got stopped out. I made $200. Sure. I don't know, man. This thing might just go. Yo, we just bombed something in the Strait. Yeah, we just bombed something in the Strait. I don't have to be at the barbecue till 5. The barbecue's 10 minutes from me. But dude, that was crazy. I don't know, man. No, it doesn't seem like we're going to be done.
Movement in WTI crude here. Not much movement in the dollar. The dollar did go up though.
I'm listening to Financial Juice. Yo, later, P-Long. It's some guy that probably works at Financial Juice that just reads
So according
news
to the
of
New
it.
York Times, Zuckerberg urges Meta to more working with Polymarket and Kalshi.
I don't know. I mean, it might squeeze. It might squeeze. I don't know. It's interesting. Yeah, I just saw the chart. I saw it. I didn't read it yet. Oh, what was that? Crude settlement? Oh, I was just playing the momentum. I think it does go. It's all based on the news. I'm watching NQ on my other screen. I want to see the NQ start to drop and probably crude pop up. Yeah, here you go.
So seeing here from the US military, US strikes in Iran is response to attack on commercial vessel. So the US saying that they conducted strikes against Iran today. And the US military forces conducted strikes against Iran on June 26th.
Crazy. Still doing strikes. Wild. All right. This might go. I wish I had a shit. Oh my God.
So the US military says US aircraft struck Iranian missile and drone storage locations and coastal radar sites.
Oh, jeez. €3 for a liter? Yeah. I feel like you guys also drive better cars that are suited for that, though.
And the US military says forces continue to provide safe passage coordination and support to commercial vessels transiting the strait.
Yeah.
So Iranian media say projectiles struck pier area in southern Iran, Surik.
I got to go to this barbecue. I will see you guys on Monday. If you're new here, subscribe. And I'll be back on Monday, 9 a.m. till noon, and then 2 to 4:30 if you want to catch the afternoon one. All right, I'm out. Enjoy your weekend. How much trades are based on news? 95%, 98% of my trades are charts, or 99. Yeah, it's all chart based. I'm out. Peace. Enjoy your weekend, guys.